What's up, guys? So today we're working on this piece of shit. Actually, I take that back. I kind of like this truck. This is a 88 Chevy C1500 long bed. I wish it was a short bed, but it's not, but I still like it anyway. So today we're going to be putting on these eBay special fender flares. Believe it or not, it might sound expensive, but I think it's pretty cheap. I got these for $140 on eBay. And the reason I went with these as opposed to some of the others was they don't have any holes on the side here. A lot of the cheap fender flares have the holes where you bolt them on here. I think those look pretty generic on certain cars. They look good on like Jeeps and stuff, but on trucks I think they look kind of cheesy. So this thing's just a piece of crap anyway. So I got these and we're going to be putting them on here. That's about it. So one of the main reasons I bought them is I'm trying to cover up this rust here. And I considered cutting it out and welding in a new piece, but I really don't feel like doing that. So I'm going to be lazy. I'm going to put on these bad boys, and I'm not even going to paint them. I'm going to leave them black for now. I considered painting them red, but you know what? That's too much work too, so screw it. We're just going to screw these bad boys on here. Alright guys, we got all 4 fender flares on there. It's time to let it down off the jack and see what it looks like. Straighten the wheel up first. How's it look? Looks pretty good. Looks like the same old piece of shit truck.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I've been without an emblem for a while here too. So my dad actually had this emblem off of his newer Chevy truck. So we're gonna put it on there. It's a little bit bigger, but it actually has the same curved profile on it. So we're just gonna put some screws in there, and we got the fender flares on. Now we're gonna put on our 2011 Chevy emblem here onto the 88. Actually, I think it's a 94 front end.
Oh.
Sam upgraded the front end on it. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
We'll put one in, then 11, make it count 11.
Yeah. You don't want to crack it. There we go. Look at that. Little modern twist. Look at that, like new. Now we'll get a little black paint put on there. Be good to go. Oh yeah, look at that professional, 100% professional job we got here. Hell, I might as well touch up the rest of this. See, I painted all these bumpers black and this grill black. It was all chrome. I don't like chrome at all. Chrome's for old men.
Oh,
Chrome's for old people.
If you had,
Lucinda likes chrome though. She loves chrome. I can't stand it.
if you had a brand new, some nice car, you probably like chrome on it.
Oh yeah, look at that. All right, guys, well, there they are, all installed. Actually went pretty well. I ended up throwing away the screws it came with, and I just put self-tappers in here. Screwed it right in. Fits pretty good. Lines up here with the trim. We go to the back here. As you can see, it lines up here pretty good with the groove. I'll put the link in the bio for these as well. So you can see the ones I bought. And it covers up the rust, which is what I was wanting. Come around to this side. The rust was so bad on this side, it actually sticks up out of here, but I'll just touch that up. And I'm gonna get some lacquer thinner and try to get this primer off here, and that should look better. But overall, I'm super happy with it. So I highly recommend picking these up. 140 bucks. They got the nice clean look. So yeah, definitely. All right, guys, well, that's it for the Chevy truck. There's the new emblem. Look at that. Couple self-tappers in there. Don't be scared of the self-tappers now. All right, guys, take it easy.